Hey up, it's been a while. So here's our top 5 reasons for not doing a video. In at number 5, me and Simon went to see The Mission. Up 2 places to number 4, Matt and I have been on holiday, but not together, that'd be weird. Up 4 places to number 3, it's Simon, and I've had enough of that blasted car, featuring his Austin 1300 GT. And down 1 place to number 2, it's Mike and Ryan removing a Z3 engine to put in an E36. So that means we have a brand new number 1.
My knee?
No, that's not your knee.
So
So,
then, Michael,
yes, Matthew.
have you bought anything lately?
Yeah, I have bought a small car.
Do you want to tell us more about it? Were you drunk when buying it?
No,
Were you naked when buying it?
no.
You were drunk when buying it, weren't you?
No, I wasn't.
It seems like the kind of story where you were drunk when you were buying it.
No, I wasn't. I wasn't drunk. I just thought.
Sorry, can you speak into the mic?
Yeah, sorry. I just thought, yeah, I like that.
Where did you see said vehicle?
I saw it on Facebook. The unusual car sales group on Facebook.
And how much was it?
It was not.
Because it's not £8,000 like you'd pay for some wardrobes.
No, no, I can't possibly say how much it is. I probably paid a little bit too much for it, to be honest.
No, I don't think you.
We always pay too much for our vehicles.
But Ryan said that
You
he
paid
would
too
have
much,
it.
haven't you?
No, I haven't. Ryan said that he would have had it.
Ryan-
You
Ryan-
would have had it for that price, wouldn't you?
I'd have had it for that price.
Oh yeah. What is it?
It's a 1965 Galaxy 500, 19.5 feet of American rust.
And £50 a week storage costs.
Yep, the engine's been rebuilt apparently.
Don't take Ryan's word for it.
It's got a lovely original interior.
That's not been rebuilt.
That's not an engine.
That's not been rebuilt.
We've looked inside with a boroscope.
No chance. You believe that?
It's closer.
Maybe in America in 1971.
I'm going to say it's closer to being rebuilt than it was being an original engine.
It's got a new alternator.
That
20
looks like,
20
it
years
looks
ago.
like something that Ryan had rebuilt and just put everything back on, like greasy and dirty. Horrible skanky hose back on.
We will attempt to start it on a future episode where we realise that people on the internet actually lie.
Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh God.
There might be a bit of water in that engine.
Yeah, just a bit. Shite.
But in the meantime, Matt has asked Simon to have a look over his Morgan. It needs more welding.
We need to weld that both sides. So I need all that lot inside stripping out, and I need to do that as well.
It's made of balsa wood and Meccano. Yeah, I just need to get all ply base out, plywood floors out, make some fresh ones, and then get it all scraped. This is the carpet's got to come out, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's not bad that. There's a bit of wood, that's part of the ash frame there though. And it's alright really. It's just a bit, obviously a bit cold there.
That's fine then, that'll do me if you're happy with that.
You know, we'll take all the floors out. I'll take them off though.
They're just nailed on.
Yeah. Yeah, I was nailed through alley. Well, sorry, through steel.
I just knife that carpet out, to be honest. Save you when you come to refit it, you can do it properly.
Yeah. Yes, boss. Okay, boss. See, let me proper. Look. That's what they are. Can't be normal, that, can it?
No, it'd have had a flat pedal on it.
I don't know. You think?
Yeah,
Oh,
it'd have
where's
had a
it
flat
gone?
pedal. Someone's.
Where's it gone? long since gone. It'd have had a nice aluminium flat racing pedal on it. No, it would not.
Yes, it would. Screwed to the floor. Yes, it would. And it'd rolled on that ball.
Maybe.
No, maybe ramped it. It's right.
I don't believe you.
Tough. I'm right.
I still don't believe you. I am busy.
No, Jim.
Oh. I'm restoring a landmark building in Huddersfield. Are we going to advertise our car show?
Now's your chance.
Don't have a car show?
Yeah. Go for it.
I fucking hate me on film. Can you
Just talk to me. When is it?
It's on your birthday, Michael.
What, my actual birthday?
Yes.
Is it?
23rd November.
That's not my birthday.
Yes,
No,
it
it
is.
isn't. No, it isn't.
You said it was.
No, you lied.
No.
So that's when my party is, on the
No.
23rd of November.
No,
You said, oh, it's on my birthday.
No, I didn't. It's a couple of my birthday's
It's on my Wednesday,
21st.
isn't it? Oh, yeah.
Why did you tell me it's on my birthday?
I'll have to go back and check our WhatsApp.
Yeah, he did say that. He did say that it was on his birthday, but he was lying because I knew it wasn't his birthday. So he didn't know when his birthday was when he said it was on his birthday.
Well, I didn't know it was on his birthday.
Because I looked at my calendar and went, well, that's not what my calendar says.
Well, that's not what my calendar said.
Did talking of birthday? Did we miss your birthday this year?
Yes.
We did not.
Yes, you did.
I wish you happy birthday. I bloody did.
Nothing.
Liar.
I was in Sainsbury's the other week and I thought, shit, we've missed Simon's birthday.
No. No.
You did.
Don't think we did.
I was very sad and lonely on that
Get
day.
bollocks you was. When's your birthday again? When's his birthday?
Oh, good.
28th?
No.
No, it's not.
27th.
Twine. No, it's not.
26th.
No, it's
I
not.
can't remember.
9th.
Says there, Cy the boss birthday.
I know. You still forgot it.
Didn't.
Yeah. Yeah, might have done.
I knew it was your birthday. I knew it was your birthday because that's why I asked you out for a coffee.
No, he's making excuses now.
What's your excuse?
I bought him a present.
When?
Well, this week.
Yeah, I'm sure I spoke to you on the phone. I did, didn't I?
So anyway, the car show. Is it for Simon's birthday as well?
Happy birthday, Simon. You wrote happy birthday, Simon, on the group chat. It says there, look.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure I spoke to you on the phone. You're lying, aren't you? Well, he said happy birthday, so why would I not say happy birthday when I've seen him say happy birthday at 7:30 in the morning?
You can have a party for me in November.
I spoke to you. I spoke to you. I must have.
We're not looking at our phone history now. Nobody rings me, so it'll be easy to find.
So I was going to suggest we had a car show at Britvic. Huddersfield. Huddersfield.
The only person to ring me on 9th was Dan
Matt Riggles was there, look.
on the 11th.
I must have texted you.
Carry the pigeon.
You can delete WhatsApp messages, can't you?
Yeah, but I only found that out recently. I didn't realise you could, but no, I didn't. So we're having a 3-way birthday party in November. Mine's a little bit late.
So it's in Huddersfield. And what do you want? Do you want people to come along in their cars?
Obviously.
Right, okay, well tell them then.
Don't. You tell them.
So we're having a car get together.
Having a car get together.
During the day.
During the day, 10 o'clock, 23rd
Cars.
of November.
Yes. There will be coffee.
There'll be coffee and tray bakes
Yes. Very informal. Just turn up.
with a car.
Yeah.
Pre-2000. Make it happen.
We need to give it a postcode. Tell them where to go.
Huddersfield.
Well, Huddersfield's a big place.
HD15EB.
Turn up.
Get it in the diary.
I want to see an Applejack Allegro. We want to cut these brackets off so that we can shot blast and get this corrosion away. So the idea that Matt came up with, which is I thought was spot on, so there you go, got it on camera. We're going to make a jiggle to basically so we know where these brackets go. So my idea is, well, we're just going to basically cross brace it like that, and then I'm going to put these on to space it so that I can get the height right. So once I've made the jig, I can unbolt it, and then I can cut them off, and then we can properly shot blast it. And I'll make some new ones then. And that's it.
No, it's not a joke. We are having a little meet-up. We're not expecting anyone to turn up, so that means more cake for me, Matt and Simon. If you do decide to come though, make sure you bring your crappiest car.